Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Rahul Best. The question is, should I answer all theta questions as there are no negative marks? Where, a little dicey on that. And let me just can't give you a very generalized answer because it depends on question to question. So let's try to understand different type of questions on that. For example, let's look at verbal. Verbal are two things. One is jumble para and the odd man out, which are normally based on theta questions. Now, odd man out, I would say mark the answer no matter what. You solve it, not solve it, mark the answer. There's a chance of going right. But as far as jumble para goes, I would not guess mark without solving it because the probability of going right is very low. Even if it's a four option, four statement, 2 raised to 4, 16 possibilities and a number of possibilities. So randomly guessing and getting it right becomes a little difficult. Right? Though you can guess it. If you're doing it without solving it, you're not going to waste too much time, 2 3 seconds, you can just type it and go about it. The problem comes when people try to solve it and then guess mark it because they feel theta hai, there's no negative marks, let me just attempt solve and then guess mark. The problem with this is that you waste time on it and it's a very precious time. So for example, I've seen a lot of people, I analyze my students mock, so I realize what problems they face. So a lot of people, they spend a lot of time on that odd man out and the jumble para, assuming theta question and there's no negative mark, they go all wrong. But then they waste 10 to 12 minutes on that, and that time they could have maybe solved one RC passage and got few marks extra. So time is important. I have no problem in guessing randomly, but the moment you waste time and then guess, then becomes a problem. Don't waste time to guess. You can waste time to solve. So if you're confident, you'll get the answer. Do solve it. No harm. But if you always go wrong in jumble para and then wasting time and then marking it doesn't make sense. Rather, guess mark and go forward. Time is a very important factor as far as theta questions are concerned. Same with cont and DLR. If I've solved half, I have some idea about it, I'll mark the answer and go forward. No negative marking, randomly mark and go. But if I solve a theta question just because it's a theta question and then I don't get it right regularly, doesn't make sense. I'm wasting time. So good way to understand is analyze your mocks. Okay. See how much time are you wasting on theta questions. Do you get it right or you don't get it right? If you don't get theta questions right at all, there's no point, you can randomly guess, that doesn't take time. Put a 0, put a 1 and go forward. There is no harm in doing that. Okay, that's always possible. But don't solve for guessing. I hope you understand the difference. Okay, you can guess randomly without wasting time, but moment you solve for guessing, I don't have time, I have 2-3 minutes left, let me solve a theta question. Why not solve an option based question? So I'm not against guess marking theta questions. I'm only saying that look at the time factor when you utilize for guessing the questions. If you're utilizing a lot of time and you're still getting it wrong, doesn't make sense. But if you're not utilizing any time and fine and accuracy is decent, go ahead with it. There's no harm in doing anything which doesn't take time and which doesn't lose you marks. I hope that is clear. Thank you.